In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update PHP on Hostinger, whether you're looking to harness new features, ensure compatibility, or enhance security. Updating PHP is a crucial step for maintaining your website's health and performance. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger website. Hostinger is a user-friendly platform perfect for bringing your ideas online with a website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in, which you'll need to click. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one because this step is essential for accessing your hosting services. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger homepage. From here, you need to find the Hosting tab in the navigation menu. This section is the heart of your hosting management where all the magic happens. Clicking on it will display a list of all your hosting accounts, so make sure you select the right one if you have multiple. Now, with your hosting account in view, look for the Manage button. Clicking Manage will take you into the Control panel, which is often referred to as the H panel on Hostinger. This area gives you access to all the administrative tools you'll need for managing your site effectively. Once inside the H panel, you want to locate and click on Advanced. Sometimes the names of these tabs might feel a bit intimidating, but don't worry, it's much simpler than it sounds. The advanced settings are designed to give you more control over the nuanced aspects of your hosting, including our main focus today, PHP. Next, in the advanced section, find the PHP configuration. This is where you can update your PHP version to enjoy new functionalities and improvements. Typically, PHP updates help with faster processing speeds and better security for your website. So it's definitely worth taking the time to ensure your PHP version is current. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated through Hostinger's interface to update your PHP settings. It's a straightforward process, but an important one to keep your website running smoothly and securely. Thanks for following along. Remember, keeping your software up to date is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect your site and deliver a better experience for your users. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, helping you make the most out of your digital life.